What's up, everybody? Today's video we're going to get some caliper paint and we're going to paint the calipers on the Mercedes, so stay tuned and I'm going to show you step by step how you do it and what products you need to get that done.
Alright, so this is the way that I do it so that I don't have to remove the calipers. You can buy caliper spray paint, but then you'd have to take it off and you have to mask a bunch of stuff and everything else. So it's a lot more work. Usually I won't ever do that unless I'm changing the brake pads or something at the same time. But this is a kit, caliper paint kit. It comes with ceramic based paint. So it's really good for high heat applications like your brakes. This is like $20 at AutoZone. I'll see if I can find a link to put in the description so you can order it if you wanted to order it. So in this kit it comes with caliper cleaner, because you want to make sure that the calipers are real clean before you put the paint on. So usually I use this and then some sort of brush and then just kind of scrub it real good. Then comes with your little can of caliper paint, ceramic paint. This is actually red. It's just my favorite color to have brakes. You can also buy these kits in yellow and a bunch of other stuff if that's what you're interested in. Comes with some tape, so if there is anything that you want to mask off, brake lines, so forth, that you don't want to get paint on, you can do that. And then it comes with the paintbrush and a stir stick. Like I said, with this kit you get the brush so you can brush this on. It usually takes a couple coats and then you don't have to remove the brake caliper, and you can kind of get the paint where you need the paint to be without being on everything else that you don't want it to be. So it tells you a little bit about it, that the paint can withstand up to 500 degrees, it's fast drying, durable, and dust resistant. I've actually used this multiple times and it holds up extremely well. So let's get on out there to the car and I'll demonstrate this on one of the calipers for you, so that way if you decide to do it, you'll know what to do. So make sure that you break your lugs loose before you jack the car up. Mine are extremely tight for some reason. Yeah. So if yours is really tight, standing on it usually works, but you don't want to break it, so watch what you're doing. We'll just go ahead and get these all broke loose, and then we'll get it jacked up. And don't forget your jack stand. Anytime you have the car jacked up, to paint calipers, put rims on anything, you always want to put a jack stand underneath it. It's right here. Mercedes has a rubber pad here. Real safe. Put it on that. Alright, so after you get that rim off, you want to make sure you clean everything real good. So after it's clean, you want to make sure to mix your paint up real good before you start applying it, because after it sits a while it wants to separate. So this is basically the idea of it. You just want to brush on till you're covered with the first coat. Like I said, it's usually going to take 2 or 3 coats. So if you don't get full coverage, don't worry about it. Just come back, coat it again once it's dry. It does dry very fast. Usually by the time you're done with the caliper, you can start over in the same spot you started at. So I'm gonna finish painting this up, and then we'll be back, because like I said, it's gonna take a while. I don't want to leave you sit there bored for 30 minutes, but you get the idea. Alright, so there is coat 1. So we're gonna give it a little time to dry, but there is something that I forgot from last time I did this. This brush that they give with the kit is absolutely junk, because as you can see, there's a little strand of it in here. But you're not going to notice it once you put the rim and stuff on. But last time I did this, I forgot that I bought a different brush that was more high quality. So just so you know, it'd be better off probably for you to buy a different brush, because this one is trash. So let's let it dry, and I'll come back with coat 2. Alright, so I got the second coat on. It's pretty much covers. There's still a little pitting on it, because it likes to level out. Usually when it starts to dry, and you'll start seeing if it's thick enough. So usually, like after the second coat, when it dries, you determine if you need more coats or not. And then you can go from there and put the new rim on, which is what I'm going to do once this is finished, I think. We'll see. And then you'll see how good this looks through your set of rims. Alright, so after you get your rim on, you can really see how much the red paint stands out. Let me back up. It's kind of sunny out here, so I'm hoping the camera's picking this up. But like I said, it really pops out and looks good. It's a good visual upgrade for your car. So if you enjoyed this video or anything that we did here, hit the like button, subscribe. Check out some of my other Mercedes videos and other tidbits of information that I share on my channel. And as always, have a nice day. Peace.